to the sorts of things that would happen on a shooting day. First thing the dogs have to learn is obedience and steadiness, have to listen to their handler, be under control. Anything can happen. And we have to be ready for that. So birds could get up, rabbits could run, and the dogs must remain steady, only going when they're actually sent by their handler. So you'll notice straight away, right at the beginning, off came the leads, the dog's under control. So we've got a little drive going on down the bottom of the field here. A few birds shot, brought down. But they're dead birds, they're not going anywhere, we can pick those up later. We want this bird that's come down on the water. So out goes the golden retriever. This is Igor, flying kangaroo, handled by Niels de Puerta. He's a 4-year-old golden retriever dog. Beautiful colour, on his way. It's a long throw that one, a longer swim I think. He's heading towards the boys. I think he's got to turn to the right. He's mistaken the boys for the dummy. I think he's seen it now. On his way back. This dog has competed in novice field trials, open test winner in Belgium and France. This is his first time running at the CNA, and Niels says his strengths are marking and water work. And I think we've got a good demonstration of that here. Loves to swim. Another dummy out on the water. Just glanced over his shoulder. Checked that down. The dogs don't know if they're going to be sent out there again. So it's a good idea just to have a mark on that dummy just in case. But it's the second dog to go for the mark. It's got, again, round the corner there. It's not so easy to see on the water certainly from this angle. This is the 5-year-old Black Labrador dog. So the way it's landed on the water, it's not quite so easy to spot as the other one. This is Hoshi of the Charmed Angel.
Damn.
So Gaston trying to get his attention to push him back. This is going to be difficult. Hopefully once he gets into the water, level with the water, he'll spot it on the surface. I think he's on his way now. All the heads are pointing in that direction, so it looks hopeful. Dummy is... oh no, he's distracted by the boys. That's going to be a bit of a problem. Maybe the way that the light has gone, or... very difficult sometimes. Hopefully if he directs him over to the right, he'll spot that dummy on the water. Again, you can imagine that if you're swimming, your view is totally different from it would be from us standing on the bank, and I think he's seen it now, he's on his way. You can see it side on now, whereas before it was around the other way. Well done. So a bit of a struggle there, but he's got it, he's on his way back.